Hello everyone. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney, and today we're going to be doing a Tiny Tuesday cash stuffing. Now, all of these challenges have a dedicated sinking fund to go into, and we're going to be using, I think this is 30, so let's give it a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, oh, 25, my bad. All right, so $25. I'm going to roll a die, and whatever number it lands on, that challenge will be getting one bill. So here we go. Number 5 is getting 1. Number 6 is getting 1. Number 1. Number 5. How has y'all's, oops, that's 4, not 3. How has y'all's week been? I am excited to have this week off still. I'm a teacher, so I don't go back until the 6th. I have professional development, and then the kids come back on the 7th. So had a decent amount of time away, which is so nice. I've just been trying to get a lot of stuff done around the house, cleaning, organizing, and doing stuff for my Etsy shop, creating the things that I've just had on the back burner. And now I finally have time to actually sit down and create them and get them posted. So that's been fun and exciting. Okay, so these are our challenges for today. So I'll be going through each one and let you know where I got them, and linking them below in case you're interested. So starting off with this boba tea panda. This is by Our Simplistic Life. And this was in her Ko-fi shop, and it is so cute. It comes with 3 challenges on one PDF. So we're going to cross out 2 of these, and we have $1 left over. 1, 2. And this saved us, should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it is. Perfect. And then this is going towards car care, which is great because I think I need to get new brakes. And I'm kind of bummed. Obviously, it's never fun when you have to get stuff done, but I literally just was in the shop like maybe 3 weeks ago, and I had to get a new battery, and so that was expensive, and it kind of depleted my car care fund. So anyways, but we're gonna reallocate all of these in a video this week, so stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna do it now, but I do need another challenge, so let me grab this other one from Our Simplistic Life. It's a boba tea one also, and we'll just add $1 to it. Get that started. Next, we have this snowman one by Budget with Jenny. This is going towards entertainment. So let's see how much we're adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So let's see how much we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Goodness, that is a decent amount. And we're not quite done with that one yet, so hopefully next time we'll be able to finish that one. Then we have this other Budget with Jenny. I don't know why I can never say that. Budget with Jenny Gingerbread Man. And this is going towards my household. So I don't know, paper towels or cleaning supplies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe decor, but I've been trying to really not buy anything like that because I don't really need it. So, although I do love buying decor, it's fun for sure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15 already. It's amazing how these little savings add up over time. This one just got $1, which is great because that's what it needed to be finished. So we got $6 in here. Hopefully, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is going towards miscellaneous. So we will put that in there when I do my little... Oh, I was trying to think of the word, what we call that, reallocating. I don't know why I couldn't think of it. But for now, I'm just going to stick it in here and we'll reallocate that later. Okay, next. Oh, the seals one, that's one that I created. It's in my Etsy and my Ko-fi. This is a tiny Christmas corgis. This is also in my Ko-fi. It's a free download and it comes with 6 challenges. So this one is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and that's another one done, guys. So exciting. So we should have 7 here. And I'm not going to recount it because I literally just counted it. This is going towards self-care. Yay! So that's another challenge to put away. This is why I love Tiny Tuesdays, because it's just such easy wins and you finish challenges so quickly and it just feels really good. 1, 2, 3. So this one is finished as well. So let's see how much we have in here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is going towards crafts. Yay, that's fun. And this is also by Budget with Jenny. You can kind of tell it looks like the same style as those other two. So let me get another one for this. We'll put this one, paper clip that, and put it in this bag. And let's see what challenge I can use. I have some Valentine's pups I can use. Maybe I'll do that. Or I guess I could finish, I just don't really want another Budget with Jenny one because I had a lot of those already. So let me pull in, I don't know, Christmas is over, so I'm not really feeling the Christmas vibes. Let me just do a Valentine's pup. We'll get started on those ones, and I'll save these ones for another time. So this is getting $1. So Valentine's pups, that's in my Ko-fi shop as well. It is a freebie, so go grab it if you want it. And this is going to save however many hearts there are. I'm going to do $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. So this will be $9 that it saves. Okay, so that is a good start on that one. And I need 2 other challenges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do, let's just do more Valentine's pups because I need to create more tinies or find more tinies. But let's do a corgi, and this I think is a Shih Tzu. So let's do these guys, and we'll put those in for our Tiny Tuesdays. All right. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give us a like. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and stay tuned for more videos for the reallocating videos. And if you want to follow along my debt-free journey, please consider subscribing and following along. And I love any support, encouraging words. Feel free to comment down below. Let me know any advice or tips you may have, and let me know what you're doing this week, what you have been up to. I'd love to hear from you. So whatever you guys are doing, I hope you have a good one. And I'll see you in the next one.